Most of our houses have got a single phase electric supply coming in. Now, do we need to upgrade to 3-phase? Isn't that just for commercial? Is it even required? Are we going to use it? In my opinion, I think it's not a must-have, but it's a fantastic optional extra that you could have in the house. And some of us, it will only cost a couple of grand to bring it into the home. Some of us, it will cost in the region of hundreds of thousands of pounds, but those people might just need it. Now, 3-phase electricity or 3-phase supply, for that matter, just allows us within the home to have a more varied option in terms of what we can install. We can have a heat pump that works on a single phase, or we can have a heat pump that works on a 3-phase. It's great. We can do both of them. Do we need a 3-phase heat pump? No, we don't, not necessarily, because a house can cope with a heat pump, a car charger, a battery, and all of that on a normal ATM supply, which is our standard issue at the moment. If we have a 3-phase supply to the properties, what we can do is we can buy more electricity at the time when it's cheap, so we can have more battery capacity. We can supply the grid with more solar power if it is available, so you can have a larger array. You can get paid more for more generation, more electricity, more going back into the grid means more payment to you to balance out your costs. Car charger is an interesting issue because 3-phase car chargers don't make sense for everybody and for every car, because that's a totally different topic in my opinion at the moment. We can cover that, but that's one as well. If you've got a 3-phase supply, that means we can connect more to it and we can draw more electricity or feed back more electricity at any given time to the grid. So it's actually very beneficial. I talk to most of my clients and I advise them, and just to bear in mind, the DNOs, district network operators, have made it a standard issue on any new builds. So there's a 3-phase cutout coming into every single household, and then we can choose to put a single phase meter or a 3-phase meter in. So if they think it's needed, and they made that standard issue, I think for the retrofit market, for those of you who have got houses but don't have 3-phase, I think it's something to consider.